In our everyday lives, we encounter a great variety of screens. Literature has shown that our well-being is negatively affected by high screen time as well as by frequently occurring increased cognitive load. In research, measuring both cognitive load and screen time is of great importance. Current state-of-the-art technologies to measure cognitive load is very expensive. Tracking actual screen time across devices is also not effective and inaccurate. We present EyeKnowYou, an inexpensive DIY head-mounted webcam-based system that can determine an increased cognitive load while keeping track of actual screen usage. We demonstrate how to modify an off-the-shelf webcam purchasable for less than $100 and mounting it to a 3D printed specs frame. We built a software toolkit accessible for human factors researchers enriching their repertoires of evaluation tools. Our machine learning model and software is open source and thus can be independently further developed. To increase the model's accuracy, we seek the community's help by contributing with more raw data. Thank you, and please refer to our paper for more information.